Hello my friends, how are you doing? It is time for the August Super Challenge. And this month the topic is going to be Portal. Now I've created a super cool work at the end of this video that you can watch as a time lapse, and I've selected some really good looking assets that I combine in an easy way because I want to show to you it doesn't have to be complex, you don't have to be a super expert, and still you can create something really cool. Now, how does this super challenge work? First of all, about the topic. There is no specific image connected to this or kind of a genre. So you can do anything as long as it has portal in the theme. So it could be a sci-fi portal, horror portal, fantasy portal, witchcraft portal, any kind of thing you can come up with that is portal related. Of course, no nudity, no offensive content, but other than that, please take part in this challenge. When is the deadline? You have the full month, so you have until the 29th of August, which is going to be my live stream at 8 p.m. CEST, where I'm going to review your work, and I will review as many works as possible. Another reason to take part in this challenge. Now, to enter the challenge, I have linked below a Facebook post where you can reply to my post with your work as a picture, of course, so I can check that out. Maybe write a little bit about what the idea was behind it to give me some more information to give you a better review. And this is how easy that is. You can also check out more rules below in the video description. And also, if you're part of my Facebook group, and you really should be part of my Facebook group because we have over 3,300 amazing members that are super helpful and really positive. You can learn a lot from them. There is a special weekly challenge for them too that will end this week at this Sunday when I will review those works from the weekly challenge. So again, we have a super challenge. The topic is Portal. It's going for the whole month. And then also we have a weekly challenge that you can check out in my Facebook group. Let's get started with the time lapse. Boom!